I'm about to show you some updates about my channel. Do you see all of, hold on. Do you see all this? Do you, okay, hold on. Okay. Do you see all of this? 32 subscribers in the last plus 12 in the last 28 days. You guys are rocking this. Thank you guys. Let's look at the recent subscribers. Ooh, I never did this. Subscribed. Wow, wait, what? What did I do? I don't know. What did I do? Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, okay. Yeah, I think that's all. Come on, next page. Okay, it's not okay. Oh, whatever. I really think I should start doing some more. Did you guys watch this? This is super funny. I was keep on dying, and you already seen my dead body in that video. So, yeah. Guys, I'm about to show you guys something that you guys should definitely see. Guys, comment down below which video you would like to watch more of. Just comment down just comment down which one. Just say which, do I want to watch a full movie with you? I want to do more videos. I want you to do some music videos. I even though I don't know how to, just don't judge. I want you to do some how to do things. I want you to do more tours. I want you to do more role plays. I want you to do it. Don't know video. I'm just gonna list the videos that have the most viewers. Okay. I want you to make another video like this. Do you see this video right here? Yeah, the one that's 8 minutes right down here. I want you to make more videos with Olivia GR5. I want you to do another Hello Cassidy's. I want you guys to keep on doing that. I'm just listing everyone that you guys want. Okay, like this one. I want you to do another roleplay video because you guys actually really liked that. It have 18 views on that one. Okay. Okay. I want you to do another roleplay video. I want you to make another tour of your new Bloxburg house. I want you to well, maybe try to think of things that I haven't done yet. Say like a music video. I should find how to make a music video, stuff like that. I'm gonna try making a music video after this video post, and yeah, like these, I'm about to show you some music videos and then tell me if you guys want me to try and make one. If I can't make one, don't be mad because then I'll just be sad. So I'm about to look for some of them, and yeah, I was watching this. Ha 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 ha. Oh wow. Okay, I'm not. Guys, oh, add. Guys, ads. Um, when ads be letting you down. Ooh, ooh. Okay. Oh, happier. So yeah. So like I have music playing, but I don't have my computer audio on this. So yeah. Save these stuff. Do you guys want me to do this and have music playing? So yeah, bye. I'm gonna make a music video right now.